Hello good people, and welcome back to Tea Kanana Show. Welcome to our secure place where marriages are healed, relationships are improved, and lives are changed. In this case, we are going to discuss about self-care and mental health during this festive season. As we approach the Christmas festive season, the world becomes louder. Lights are brighter, expectations are higher, smiles are demanded. Yet for many people, Christmas is not only about joy, it is also about pressure, grief, loneliness, financial strains, family conflicts, and emotional exhaustion. At this moment, I want to say something very important. You are not weak for feeling tired during a season that tells you to be happy. This talk is about self-care and mental health, not a luxury concept, but as necessary acts of survival and self-respect, especially during the festive season. I want to take you through the hidden pressure of the festive seasons. Christmas comes with unspoken rules. You must be happy. You must forgive everyone. You must show up. You must give. You must have something to celebrate. But if I put it in a psychology way, and the psychology how it teaches, forced joy creates silent suffering. Many people are carrying unresolved grief from loved ones they lost, marital or family conflict that becomes louder during gatherings, financial pressure to perform Christmas, loneliness intensified by seeing others celebrate, burnout from the entire year. If this is you, let me normalize this for you now. Feeling overwhelmed during Christmas does not mean something is wrong with you. It means you are human. What self-care really means? Self-care is not only spa days, vacations, or treating yourself. Real self-care is often quiet, uncomfortable, and deeply honest. Self-care is saying, I cannot attend everything. Allow yourself to rest without guilt. Setting boundaries with families also, eating properly and sleeping adequately, turning down emotions or emotional noise, choosing peace over people pleasing. Let me say this clearly, that you are not selfish for protecting your mental health. You are responsible. The healthiest people are not those who attend every gathering. They are those who know when to pause. What is emotional self-care? Many of us are disconnected from ourselves. We ask, what do people expect from me? But forget to ask, what do I need right now? In this festive season, emotional self-care means naming your feelings without judging them, allowing yourself to feel sadness, grief, or disappointment, giving yourself permission not to explain your emotions. If your heart is heavy this season, It does not make you ungrateful. It doesn't make you faithless. It doesn't make you broken. It means you are processing life. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do this Christmas is sit with your feelings instead of running from them. So, what kind of mental health boundaries are you going to set during this Christmas season? Boundaries are not rejection, remember that. Boundaries are self-respect. This season, you are allowed to leave early. Say no politely. Limit difficult conversation. Protect your peace. You don't have to reopen old wounds to prove maturity. Stay in toxic spaces to prove love. You don't have to carry emotional burdens that are not yours. Your mental health matters more than tradition that drains you. And remember, you can love people from a distance. You can forgive without reconciling. And you can celebrate quietly. Let me give you simple, realistic practices you can adopt when you are doing self-care during this festive season. 1, create non-negotiable rest moment daily. You can take even 10 to 15 minutes of silence, prayer or journaling or breathing. Number 2, you can reduce comparison. Comparison maybe in terms of when you go to social media. What social media shows you the highlights. You can also do check in with yourself emotionally. Ask yourself, how am I really feeling today? You can also reach out, because isolation increases emotional pain. One safe conversation can change everything. You can reach out maybe to your friends or to one of your family members. Also, be kind to yourself. Speak to yourself the way you would speak to someone you love. Let me give you a message of hope. As we approach this festive season or this Christmas, you don't have to be okay to be worthy of love. And you don't have to be joyful to deserve rest. You don't have to explain your healing journey to anyone. Christmas is not only about celebration. It is about hope, restoration, and gentleness. May this season remind you that rest is holy, healing is allowed, and taking care of your mind is a gift, not only to yourself but to everyone you love. Take care of your heart. Your mental health matters this Christmas and always. Thank you guys for listening and being with me all this time. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead of you. God bless you. See you in the next video.